Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kamusta? It's me, Paula, and it's nice to see you back on my channel. Yes, I'm going to use that line na dito sa channel ko. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kamusta? I hope you like it. Well, anyway, something came in the mail today, and for you to get this look, I'm going to show you how I used the BLK face stack on my face right now. Buksan natin. Okay, so this is the face stack from BLK Cosmetics. Interesting tong product na to. I got curious kasi ang cute ng packaging niya, minimalist packaging. This one is a new idea, na very innovative idea na super cool kasi you can bring this when you travel. And look, dikit-dikit siya kasi you can magnet. We're gonna do the swatching, we're gonna test it on our face. I have my base, I have my kilay, and then let's use this all over our face to finish my look. Buksan muna natin yung isa-isa, or yeah, buksan muna natin isa-isa. When you buy this individually, wala siyang cover. So it's $299 isa yung walang cover. But if you buy it with the cover like this, ang ganda ng packaging niya. Ay, sticker lang siya, may lobo-lobo pa. But it's fine. Sayang, ganda pa naman. May lobo-lobo. So yung cover niya, merong mirror. Ang ganda kasi nandito yung shade, tapos ito yung actual product. May plastic lang. Super cute and matte yung finish ng packaging niya. Ang ganda talaga. I'm just worried kapag dinala ko to when I travel is maghiwa-hiwalay siya. Tapos masira. I mean, di ba pag naghiwalay siya sa makeup kit mo, matamaan siya ng matutulis na bagay, eh, di sira na siya. Okay, so these are the swatches. Katapat nila yung shades nila mismo. The first one is tan line. Ano, takot ako kami kasi sobrang kinis niya. Ayun na. It feels like yung texture niya parang lipstick type. That's what I feel. In fairness, the color is great. I mean, the brown looks natural. We can definitely use this on our lids. Tapos, I can also use this as contour. Wait lang, kailangan kong tissue. Okay, so let's start with ano na lang. Parang ako naglalaro. Pwede ko ba siya gamitan ng brush? Or kamay lang talaga? I think kamay lang talaga. Ang concern ko lang is, nagiging messy yung gilid. Kita nyo ba? Nagiging messy yung gilid kapag ginanon mo siya. There's no other way to do it. Magiging messy talaga siya. Lagyan ko ng eyes ko. Maganda siya ilagay sa eyes kasi it still looks natural. Dagdagan natin. Diba? Nagkaroon ba? Kita nyo ba? O dagdagan ko pa. I think okay na yan. This one, dito sa face stack, I think this is the highlighter shade that they have. This is called the Jet Setter. I'll use it on my eyes. Parang ganda nito sa eyes. Very subtle lang yung colors nito. I think if you're into like looking natural lang, I think pwede ko pa dagdagan ng brown kasi natakpan na siya ng ano. Dagdagan pa natin. Okay. That's Jet Setter. I don't want to use it as a highlighter today kasi nga meron nga akong event na pupuntahan and I think it's too parang glittery. Nakikita ko yung glitters niya. Yung particles niya. Okay, so I think okay na ako sa eyeshadow. Maglagay lang ako ng mascara. We're done with the eyes, pero parang feeling ko pwede ko pang gamitin yung ibang colors sa eyes ko. Ano kaya gamitin ko sa blush on ko? I think let's use Staycation. Let's use this on my cheeks. Okay. Kinakabahan ako, parang kapal. I think pag ginamitan siya ng brush, parang nawawala. This is Staycation on my cheeks right now. Just like the other colors, super subtle lang niya. Pwede pa ako maglagay sa eyes ko ng room service na color. This is parang peachy na dark room service. So that is room service on my eyes. Dagdagan lang natin ng nawala na yung line. Parang every time na pinapatungan ko siya, nawawala. We have 2 shades left to use. I think I'm going to use Wanderlust on my lips. Ako gagamitin yung Pool Party. Let's swatch muna the Pool Party. Parang ito bright peach. Parang maganda din to sa eyes, yung Pool Party. And then, Wanderlust for my lips. Perfect to sa lips. Perfect din to sa cheeks. But I don't think it's gonna last that long. You have to reapply and reapply it again on your lips. But, tignan mo, nag-ano siya sa lips ko, parang nagkikrease. Pumapasok siya sa parang it's not the best when you want to use it as a lipstick. Feeling ko kapag yung pang everyday lang siya. If you want to put some tint on your lips, okay lang siya. Pero if you're going to an event or something like that, it's not the best for your lips. Or maybe dry lang yung lips ko, pero no, hey. Pag nagli-lipstick ako, it's not that parang creasy naman, di siya nag-ano-ano sa lines. And yung contour, sige, I'll put it on my nose. Siya on my nose as contour. I think pwede ko din siya lagay sa cheeks ko. Gamitin ko na yung brush na pang contour. Okay din pala siya gamitin with the brush. Yan no, parang mas maganda nga eh. Okay, so tan lines, jet setter, staycation, room service, pool party, Wanderlust. I like it kasi nga you can bring it anywhere na hindi bulky. Dadalhin ko to today para meron akong pang retouch. We're done with the look today. Final verdict is the packaging does it for this one. Dinala siya ng packaging kasi everything you need is here. And sobra pa nga sa colors. Hindi pa nga natin nagamit yung isang shade, Pool Party. The formula, it's okay, but not really magugulat ka na exceptional. It's not gonna last that long, I think, on your face. Kasi yung texture niya, I think lang naman ha, especially on my lips. Kasi kapag, nung sa eyeshadow, nung nirub ko siya, napatungan na yung brown. So, napatungan na, nung nirub ko na yung shimmer, napatungan na yung brown. Tapos, nung nirub ko ulit yung other color, napatungan na yung shimmer. Then, I have to reapply again. Well, that's my fault on layering. But my point is, it's not gonna last that long, especially if you're going to rub it na pag nagpunas ka ng something like that. So, you have to really bring it with you. Kasyang-kasya naman to sa bag mo. And the price point is a little bit in the middle. Medyo mataas siya. Like, itong individual stack, $299 with no cover. How can you bring it like this? But if you want to buy it with the cover, it's $399 like this, so that you can bring it individually. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!